It is no small feat when a customer needs mining equipment transported across the globe. But for HE Parts DomEx, this is just another opportunity to showcase our capabilities. With over 35 years of experience in the aftermarket parts industry and a global network of customers all over the world, DomEx has the connections and expertise to make relocating equipment and parts a simple turnkey solution for our customers. This video highlights one of our recent equipment transactions. One of our valued customers came to us looking for a quantity of 2 830E AC KOMATSU trucks. The customer had an expectation for the hours of the equipment, and we had to keep the purchase price within their budget. Utilizing our worldwide network, we were able to locate a pair of trucks that met our customer's needs. HE Parts DomEx managed every characteristic of the project, from disassembly, loading, logistics, reassembly, testing, commissioning, and delivery to the mine site. This project required a lot of teamwork, and we're very proud of the end result. Most importantly, the job was done safely, and our customer was very happy with the services that we provided. At HE Parts DomEx, we are always looking for opportunities to work with you on part and equipment requirements. Please call us today and see how our team can help you. 218-262-6116.